Yeah. Right. The only person who will crack the safe, that's my bad side, move over there. The only person, or maybe the first person, is ticket number 4, 7, 6.
You hate me now, don't you?
I hated you before, I hate you always. Well,
Go on, Geordie.
I'll do it.
we should think you Jordan, if you're cracking, you might be able to put more tasteful clothing. Are you getting feedback from that t-shirt? Jordan, it's been a while, put your hand in the furry bag, right you. Stop, Julie, before you open the safe, if you win the safe tonight, what is it, £1,416? Time down there, how much you put me on the bar? You've got to split between 3 of you, so what is that?
I'll probably stick, I don't know, the odds behind the bar.
He'll probably put the odd behind the bar, what's that, £16? Just not clear it up, because I want to know if we're going to cheer for him or not. I think they're going to look after us all. So don't just buy drinks here, friends, because I don't want it to be £16. Julie, put your hand in, no rubbish in and out. Oh, Julie, can I have a drum roll, please? Julie?
Drum roll!
No, other way up, mate, other way up. I've got to help him out, he's a poor old boy. Oh, everybody feels sorry for Jordan more than you do normally. Oh, lucky Jordan. Sorry, pal.
Bye, Geordie. Oh, you're filming as well. I'm filming you.
Right, so we've got one more chance to crack the safe before the money rolls over.
You got to film them.
To be fair, Jordan, I was a bit worried. I was going to ring up Stuart and say, go to Cash and Carry, get some more Newcastle Brown now. Right, who else hasn't bought a ticket? Shelley hasn't bought a ticket.
She's not out.
But she's got £250. Look at her confidence right up now. Hi, Shelley.
Good girl.
Right, this is the last chance to crack them safe this week. If not, the money's going to roll over to next week. You go away, woman. Is it really? Next week's a mega meat monthly mayhem marathon.
Balance it on your head. What? Stops it wobbling. There we are.
Right, ticket number 6.
Oh, awesome. I've got 6.
You got 6?
Yeah.
3. Oh, you're going up, you're filming now, aren't you?
Oh, what is my numbers?
6, 3. Yeah.
1.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
No way!
Boo! Well, who's going to film you now?
My very good friend!
You ain't got no friends. Wait, stop. How many vodkas we got behind the bar? We've got quite a bit of vodka, yeah? Just checking. I know you're probably working tomorrow. She said if she wins it, she's putting 200 behind the bar. John said no, she isn't. He said it's 300 or nothing. Right, Krista? Oh, you've got to put your hand in the furry bag, takes you back to your old football days. Sorry? Drum roll, Geordie, you can do it. Oh no, it's a bit horrible, mate, Geordie do a drum roll with Krista. Go on, Krista. It's like 1 o'clock on a Friday night, you can't get in. Right, I'm just going to prove to you that key was in the bag, because We put Crystal's key away. So the money's going to roll over to next week. All £1,416. Next week we'll be down to 9 keys.
Nike.
Nike. Hey! Winner chicken dinner. Do you want to say it? Not every week. God, right, don't just come up here and be part of the act. We'll take your performance for tomorrow night. You up tomorrow night, you behaving.
Karaoke.
Tomorrow night we've got karaoke, disco party, drunk fun. Say goodbye to the money for one more week. I've got to put that one in there.